Hi, this is a short introduction to the yFiles for HTML evaluation package, and it's specifically meant for those devs who are not using one of the JetBrains IDEs. I assume you already downloaded the yFiles package, which comes as a zip file. Just use any zip tool that you like to unzip the contents into a directory of your choice. The zip file comes with, of course, with the library and also all the demos, the documentation, and some additional tools. So let's take a quick look at the package contents. There's a top-level README HTML file, and there's, most importantly, there's the library. There's all the sources for the demos, and there's the documentation and some additional tools directories. If we take a look at the README HTML file, it directly links to the documentations and the demos and a few videos. The documentation consists of a file of a tool which contains information about all the types and members that you can find in the library. There's documentation about the arguments and parameters, and also lots and lots of code snippets. But most importantly, it also contains the introduction, the developer's guide, and tells you how to get started with how to set up your development environment and how to write your first lines of code. But the demos, as you will see, won't work directly from the file system. This is because we are using named npm node modules in the demos, and to use them we need to first start a very small web server that will do the rewritings for us live and on the fly. So let's just do that. We're going to switch to the demos directory, and we're going to go to the console. I'm using PowerShell in this case, but you can use the normal terminal too. And then we're going to do an npm install, or yarn if you prefer yarn. And this will install a very small Express server that you can start using npm run start. And this will run the server and open a port on localhost 3000, which contains the same directory as before, but this time if you start the demos, they work right out of the box. So this is the demos, and all of the other information is still there. So be sure to check out the documentation, the links to the developers guides, and of course the demos and the sources. For those who have who want to use a free IDE, we do recommend using Visual Studio Code. So if you have Visual Studio Code, there's a project file coming along with the demo. So if you just open the respective folder, just go to the checkout, and as you can see, there's the VSCode directory. So we can just select the folder over here, select the folder, and it will automatically configure the IDE and help you with starting and stopping the scripts, and will provide you with the code completion. So we don't need to have that server started from the command line anymore. So we can stop that one over here. And now there's a task. So if we run task, it will show us that we have the run demo server task available directly from within code. So we can start the server again. It will just do the same, run npm run start. And if we take a look at the demos, let's take a look at one of those and see if the code completion works as expected. Here's the code, and here's we already get the coloring. So if we hit Control Space, we get code completion along with the documentation, and also support for parameter completion is there. So let's take a look at a more complicated example. So if we do graph create node, we get completion for all the parameters. So That's it. Happy coding. Enjoy.